Construction products are often bad. They're either made by construction people whose specialism isn't in making easy to use software, or it's made by software people who don't really understand the realities of what happens on site. We have a world-class software team and industry-leading construction knowledge, and that's what allows us to smooth out every detail in the product. We test early, we test often, we test live on site. That's where we find out if things really work. I'm Jonny Gates. I work in the product team at Shape. My job is to make sure that what we build for our users really delivers value, makes their lives easier, and ultimately makes the process of managing a construction site way easier than it could be otherwise. The inspiration behind Shape was really our founders' experience from a career in construction. They found that most of the tools that exist already weren't really built for the people who were supposed to use them. As a result, our focus is on people who actually deliver the works. So we really want to make tools that are easier to use and that people want to use. Prototypes tend to go through laminar first, which means we benefit from that real-world experience and we can improve the features before we even start coding. Well, it's actually the dream scenario as a product builder, because through laminar we have this access to such a wide range of construction expertise across sector, across geography, but we're also really passionate and experts in building software. It means bringing together cross-functional teams. Whatever problem we're tackling, someone in our team has lived it. It means that we can phone someone up, go through a prototype, get really quick feedback, and it means ideas get better and better and better much more quickly than if we didn't have that expertise in the team. Everyone in the team, from me to the designers, to the software engineers, to people in laminar, are responsible for making sure that what we produce meets the bar that we expect. So anything that actually gets released to people to use, we know hits that Shape quality. For software to work, site teams really need to understand how to use it and how it's actually going to benefit them. We have specialist implementation engineers who will go to site and help overcome those common problems and use that to improve the tool further. Our focus is on creating tools for the site, so naturally we need to be there. And it's that on-site testing that keeps us grounded in reality. To me, is like one of the great joys of my role. Feedback is kind of baked in at every point. Discussions with clients will steer the general direction of the product. It's so important that we listen to our users, because the best ideas come from the people doing the work. Our goal is to simplify the daily and weekly processes that construction teams are already doing. And by doing that, what we actually do is automatically generate these comprehensive and evidence records about exactly what's happened on site. And that unlocks so many great things for the construction organization. It improves your commercial position. It lets you make better decisions about how the site's running. It's our focus on winning the site that really sets us apart. Unlike other software, we focus on making things that work right out of the box. You just sign up and you're ready to go. You're ready to get the job done.